Wow, we're so back.
We are so back. Brad is so back. Brad's got Bali belly.
No, it's gone. Now I don't want to eat for a few days.
Bali belly. All right, we're going to Queen Creek today. We're gonna try to build our pergola. We don't have the post bases yet. We're gonna make some cuts, and we gotta swing by Home Depot and get some plant food because I don't want her plants to die.
No.
Because that would be expensive.
And we got this little monkey today, as seen on TikTok. Jigsby Fugglesworth. Biggest dog in Phoenix TikTok. We are going to our PM's house. Nick, if this video can get 4 likes, we're gonna drop his address in the comment section.
It's too early for this, Brad.
We're going to dogs. I'm on a different time zone. We're almost at Nick's house. Phoenix locals, if you recognize the street, please knock on Nick's door. He loves random visitors, especially after 9 p.m. on weekdays. Come say hello. And it's unfocused. Ooh. Hey, Nick.
Is this a church? Is it a church or a school? Both. Oh. So which one of you was late?
What do you mean? We're supposed to be here at 5:30?
Yeah.
I got at Trace's house at 5:30 like he told me.
Oh.
So I'm perfect. I love the hoodie, shorts, and Jesus shoes combo, Nick.
Oh, bro, that's
dad core. Fun fact about Nick and his wife, they make pretty good gluten-free tortillas.
Gluten-free?
I'm not joking, Nick. I still think that was a really good gluten-free tortilla. That is beautiful, people. Love the new uniforms, everybody. Look at that.
This is the OG. These are old.
Really?
Yeah, look at the logo, bro.
Bro, I thought the new ones
These
were
are like 2 years old. We see Pedro today. The new ones.
Never mind. There we go.
And then we need structural screws
for the wind
that can go.
Look at that.
My little toolbox.
Nice work.
All right.
What are you doing today, Nick? Talk to me.
Got a lot to do.
Like what?
Gotta go to Kaya, meeting the inspector, meeting the roofers because we had a small leak.
Just a little one.
I'll be installing towel hooks, baseboards, door trim, much more.
Good luck with that.
Yeah,
See
that's
ya.
just a very small part of the list.
All right, later. Good luck.
Well, so this is the hack that I've been on. The Celly packs.
Oh.
Short for Celsius packets.
Slang.
Dude, cause we always go to Circle K. What you do is you just hit a little bit off the top, get some room. But we always go to Circle K and a Celsius is like $85 versus these are like, you get 15 of them for like $7.
Probably healthier too.
Nah, I don't think so. And they pack a punch. Well, it's not carbonated because it's just still water. But look at that. There's no way this is actually healthy for you. It's pink freaking dye.
Well, it can't be worse than a Celsius.
Celsius is good for you.
Bacon is good for me.
All right.
Now where we go?
We have a long drive. Shanna Banana and
Home Depot out there.
yeah.
We go.
I don't really wanna live forever and ever and ever. And Walter's such a good boy. He's handsome, he's friendly.
Big boned.
He's not big boned, it's just his breed. Be nice. Brad.
Alright.
Be nice.
He's genuinely all bark, no bite. He just will
The
never
definition of all bark.
bite. He will just
No
bark
bite.
his absolute head off. Alright, almost at Home Depot. Plant seeds, plant food, you keep the plants alive. Fun fact about this song playing, it was my parents' first dance song.
Really?
I'm lying, but
Super Thrive. This is the key to planting. It's like 110 every single day this week, and we just planted a bunch of plants. We give them a little cap full of this, mix it with water, dump it, let it soak into the root ball,
boom.
and they'll never die. This is the secret weapon, right?
Bang, bang-a-rang.
Bangarang.
Alright guys, be honest, do I have aura with this fit?
Clean bucket for the water.
The essential. Can we do a try on haul? Alright, we left Malto in the car with the windows up and heater on. I hope he's okay. It's not even 7 yet.
6:30, man.
He's fine.
It's hot.
He's just gonna sweat out that extra 95 pounds he doesn't need. Shanna, we're coming!
I don't know if she's home. I don't think we've seen this project. You haven't been here, have you?
No, I was gonna go like couple days before, but something happened, or we just didn't have time to go. Like,
Dude, this one's sick.
But
Project is actually sick.
I know, I saw some of the things you posted.
This is the Frederickson
landscape.
Frederickson landscape.
No side.
O side or no side.
That's what you want, but I don't want to call it that.
I do. I want to call it O side or no side.
All right. God loves you.
Sun Valley Community Church.
Ain't that the truth? God does love you.
Yes, of course. All right, bud.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, that was. Oh, jeez, the wheels, bro. All right, now what?
Let's freaking build this thing.
Sweet. Malta just took a dump in the front yard. This guy. But let's take a look at this. Oh my goodness. Wonderful. Look at this. And Malta's peeing. Wow. Look at Malta. He just always finds a spot in the shade or the sun. Malta, look at your face, bro. What you doing over there?
Fixing its haircut.
Wow. Don't worry, guys. Trace picked up Malta poop. We did not forget. Throwing it away right now. That didn't really go to plan.
Yeah, it was good. We gotta like kind of touch up the plants, but it was less than ideal for doing the pergola. But at least we know I need a new skill saw blade because it wouldn't even cut the cedar.
Maybe it's just not strong enough.
It's just dull, I think. So new blade, and I was also trying to like make pre-cuts before we set the post, but the wood isn't perfect, so we really need to like have the posts in first, so I think we're just gonna do that Wednesday. But we got to straighten up the plans, check on it, and that was good. So now I'm gonna go to the office, close the deal maybe.
Me when I use the company car, but then I remember I own the company.
The company card, and then realize I own the company. Dude, it's gonna be $120, 3/4 tank.
Ugh. Just bought an egg sandwich and a Gatorade, and he only charged me $3.50. Shout out Quick Trip for letting me steal, low-key. Woo. 127. That, my friends, is USD for all you international fans that we do not have. Hi, bud. Hi, bud. I just feel like it's free now. It tastes like plastic. I'm trying to finish it because I'm so hungry, but I can't do it. Oh. How are you feeling?
10 pounds lighter.
Good for you, bud. Hey.
Look at your little flip-flop and your haircut.
Dude,
Look at him. I got back from Bali.
Back from Bali. Keep the fit. Ooh, that's how you're rocking it over there.
This was, dude, you look like you should be on a moped, bobbing and weaving through.
I asked for a centimeter off everywhere and he gave me a fade.
What kind of haircut is that?
Give me just a centimeter off.
I'll give you a centimeter.
He was like, oh, a centimeter? You have the absolute chillest job. What other job could you
You don't
wear?
like your job?
Foot thongs.
Brad, you look great.
Brad, you look much better.
Look at professional.
You look much better than
You look
before.
like
Why is there cereal?
the crispy rice made me think of you, so I threw it up there.
Look at this guy. You can't even see.
Vlog, we have skipped a few chapters, that's for sure. Malta's still crying though, that hasn't changed. Dude, stop, hey. What's up, guys? These videos just never go to plan, let's be real. We skipped a lot of things today. Me, Wyatt, and Trace talked to the office for like 3 hours, talking game plans, reevaluating content, marketing, good stuff. Didn't even get the chance to say goodbye to Trace, and I have volleyball right now and had Cane's, or I should say fast food in general, for the first time in weeks. And so, chat, let's pray I make it at home. Anyways, thanks for viewing.